Embassy Suites, Napa, California, room 111. Let's check it out. Let's open the front door. Come in. We got a huge seating area to the left with a couch. Nice map. Little seating area. So you open to your living room. Got coffee maker, radio. Drinks. Come back here into this foyer area, seating area. You get the big screen TV, a table with chairs. And we walk into the center area of the room. Looks like we have the big bathroom to the left. It's got a soaking tub. And then it has, I guess, a full shower next door. Let's see. Okay, there's a full shower. And then this must be the toilet. Behind the frosted glass. There's the toilet. And then we've got the bathroom sink, mirror, all your towels you're gonna need from all your baths that you're taking. And then from the soaker tub, it leads into like the third room, which is the main bedroom. So the main bedroom has cabinets and storage, another flat screen TV, and then a window and a large king bed. So this is the king with the soaker tub room at the Napa Embassy Suites. King soaker room. So if that's what the room you're interested in, this is what it is. There's another closet in there. Big screen TV. We'll go from the bedroom back to the bathroom on the right, and then the living room, the entrance room, with another screen, big screen TV, and you got a wet bar, boiler to make tea. Oh, you have an espresso machine, you have a water boiler, old radio. Got all your glasses, wine glasses, coffee glasses, and drink glasses. Some fake lavender, another decanter. And over here you got a nice little, it's a full-size couch, reading area with a lamp, entertaining area with another little cork chair and chair here. And this is the Embassy Suites Napa King Soaking Room. That is all.